According to Yahuah our Creator, He never sent a Son to save us from our sins. He has always had His own plan of salvation. Those who follow a New Testament Messiah, you can know Rome has you under their control, and there is no salvation under their pagan Roman false god.
At Torah Restored, we examine the ways the Roman Empire altered Yahuah's original plan for salvation. Observing Yahuah's original lunar solar calendar helps us understand how the Romans tainted his calendar as well as his scriptures to remove the ways of our Creator from the minds of all humanity. This shows that all roads do lead directly to Rome, and that the New Testament Roman pagan Messiah the Roman Catholic Church produced cannot offer salvation. This channel is for those who are seeking Yahuah's only means of salvation through His covenant, knowing the New Testament false god the world bows to is not of our Creator. Join us as we examine Yahuah's ways in His Torah and how the Church has destroyed His original and only means of salvation. The altering and burning of old manuscripts has stolen Yahuah's knowledge from the world. The Torah details His original and only plan of salvation. Yahuah authorized the Torah. He never authorized the New Testament or new means of salvation. New Testament authors such as Flavius Josephus have used stolen portions of the Torah and introduced symbolism to authenticate their lies in the New Testament. We understand that you have reservations, but if Yahuah is unchanging, then why would He alter His flawless and straightforward plan of redemption to accommodate all He plainly rejects? His word has always maintained He is unchanging. Come stand with us as we seek the truths of the Torah by confronting the facts as revealed in it and by exposing the lies of the New Testament. Jesus Christ, the false Roman god, or whatever you choose to call Him, is a Roman pagan deity, and you must start your quest to grasp what the Torah says about Him without hesitation.
For more verses proving Yahuah alone is our salvation, be sure to visit our website at TorahRestored.com. Also, videos at YouTube.com/@TorahRestored and Bite to Phila Productions.